Hello, Miss Ryder.
Hi, Miss Lavell.
How are you doing?
I'm good. I'm ready to learn more about planets.
Me too. Where are we going to learn about planets?
Okay, well, I have this really cool article, and it's actually on Schoology. Let me bring it up here.
Oh, cool.
So the students, when they go to Schoology, they're going to go to the May 11th through 15th folder. And yesterday, you guys watched some videos about planets, and you got to compare and contrast them. Miss Lavell, do you know the two types of planets?
I think it's rocky and gaseous planets. Am I correct?
That's right. And today, we're going to learn about each and every planet in the solar system. So here's...
How many are there?
Well, there's 8. There used to be 9, and then they took one away.
Oh, that's right. Poor Pluto.
Yeah. I mean, it's still there. It's just not a planet anymore. Okay, so here is our page. Down here and view the article. And slowly, my slow computer will bring it up. Wait for it. There it is.
Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm so excited. You ready to learn about planets, Miss Ryder?
Yes, it looks like the article starts with an introduction.
Ooh, an introduction. We know how to write those, don't we, guys? All right, so this article is called The Planets in Our Solar System. Solar systems are made up of stars and the planets that orbit them. Our solar system has 8 planets. They circle a star that we call the sun. We learned all about the sun last week, didn't we? Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy. The Milky Way contains many other solar systems too. The 4 planets closest to the sun are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These are the rocky planets. They have solid outer crusts, and then after Mars come the 2 gas giants, Jupiter and Saturn. They are the largest planets in the solar system. The 2 farthest planets from the sun are ice giants. They are Uranus and Neptune. Beyond Neptune, there are several smaller objects called dwarf planets. You may have heard of Pluto. It used to be known as a planet. Now it is classified as a dwarf planet. So the first planet in our solar system is Mercury.
Miss Lavell, I have a question. What do you think the word dwarf means?
Well, I've seen on TV the dwarfs in cartoons with the big beards, and they're always really short and small. So, using my knowledge, and I know Pluto is very small, and it says there are several smaller objects called dwarf planets. I think a dwarf planet must be smaller than all the other planets.
I think you're right. Good context clues.
All right.
Read about Mercury.
Mercury is the smallest planet in our solar system, but it's not a dwarf planet, so it's the smallest planet out of the 8. It is located closest to the sun. It is only slightly larger than Earth's moon. Mercury is the planet with the fastest orbit. It just takes 88 Earth days to circle the sun. Wow. Does anyone know how many days it takes for Earth to circle the
sun? Well, that would be 1 year. So how many days are in a year?
Isn't it 365?
Yes, but wouldn't it be fun if it was only 88 days? Because then you'd have a birthday every 88 days instead of waiting
Oh,
365 days.
goodness. And we'd be so much older, but not look older. We'd be like our age, but we'd technically be older. That would be so
Good point. Hey, I have a picture of Mercury that I can show.
Oh,
I found this really cool website from NASA that has real satellite images of the planets.
wow, look how pretty Mercury is.
It really is.
Very pretty.
It says 88 Earth days, just like our article.
Wow. That's so fast.
All right, let's keep reading.
All right, friends. Our next planet is Venus. Venus spins in the opposite directions from most planets. It has a thick atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds a planet. Venus's atmosphere traps heat like a blanket. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. Oh, wow, the hottest planet.
All right, let's see. Let's go back to NASA and see what Venus looks like. Ooh, that does look hot.
Oh, I wouldn't want to go to Venus. I don't want to burn up like that. How many Earth days?
Says here 225.
Oh, so, does it spin faster or slower than Earth if we take 365 days?
I guess faster because it gets around the sun in less time.
Sure does, so it goes faster. Okay. What's our next planet, Miss Ryder?
This one's probably the one I know the best because I live here. It's Earth, according to the.
Oh, our home planet. Earth is our home planet. It is the only planet where we have found life. It is also the only planet in our solar system with liquid water on the surface. So, just in case we don't know what Earth looks like, does NASA have a picture of Earth too?
Here it comes. Slowly. I always love seeing pictures of Earth from space. It looks so cool.
It really does.
If we can
When
pull it
we're
up.
here, we're not picturing being on that globe and seeing all that. Like, seeing all that is so cool.
Okay, you can kind of turn it around and see all the different sides of Earth. So I found the United
That is so cool.
right here in North America. So we would be somewhere around here in Tennessee.
Oh my goodness.
Now, Miss Lavell, it also says the planet type is terrestrial. What do you think that means?
Terrestrial? Well, we're the only planet that has life. And I know extraterrestrial is aliens. I only know that from the Katy Perry song. So, would terrestrial mean that we have life on our planet?
Maybe, but the other planets said that too, Mercury and Venus.
Oh, well then I bet it means rocky.
Oh, yeah. I remember that from the videos we watched yesterday.
Mm-hmm.
All right, next up is Mars.
Ooh, Mars. Today, Mars is a dusty, cold desert world. It has a very thin atmosphere, but this may not have always been true. Billions of years ago, Mars was probably wetter and warmer. The atmosphere was also thicker. Ooh, a desert planet.
All right, Mars. So did it say it's cold like a desert? I thought that's
Yeah. Huh. Maybe desert, it means like everything's dead. There's sand.
Oh, yeah. Deserts can be really cold too. They're just very dry. So it's
Yes.
also a terrestrial planet, and it takes a really long time to go around the sun, 680.
Oh my goodness. Wow, we'd all be so much younger.
My computer's really slowing down here. Hopefully it'll come. I think these are taking longer because it says they're interactive. So if
Ooh.
wanted to Google the NASA websites, Google like NASA and planets, you can play around and find these pictures too.
So fun.
Okay, so it is red, reddish looking, and it does look pretty dry like a desert.
Oh, and it says that it's called the red planet.
Oh, and it's got this big white spot. I wonder if that's ice?
Kind of looks like a creepy eyeball.
Oh man, so interesting. Okay, let's.
Mars is interesting. What planet is next, Miss Ryder?
Oh, the heading tells me that we're going to read about Jupiter, which is my favorite planet.
Oh, it's your favorite planet? Why is it your favorite planet?
Because it has a big storm on it that just never goes away. I think we're.
Ooh. Jupiter is the largest planet in our solar system. Oh my goodness, it's definitely not a dwarf planet. It is more than twice as large as all the other planets combined. The giant planet has a great red spot. The spot is a storm that is bigger than Earth. Wow, the storm is bigger than Earth? The storm is hundreds of years old. Whoa, I can't wait to see this storm.
So imagine there was just like a giant hurricane on Earth, but it never went away for hundreds of years. That would be bad.
That would be very bad, very scary.
Hold on, here comes Jupiter. This is also an interactive one. Oh, there it is. And there's the storm, the great red spot.
Wow, and they said that little red spot is bigger than Earth.
Mm-hmm.
Whoa, so that means Jupiter is just huge.
And they also said it's a gas giant. That's the type of planet. And so look at the cool layers and designs and swirls of all those gases. Yeah, I think Jupiter is really pretty.
Looks like a marble.
It does.
And it says right here, Jupiter is twice as massive as all the other planets combined. Wow. All the planets combined wouldn't be as big as Jupiter. You'd have to double it. That's crazy. Oh, next planet is Saturn. Saturn is surrounded by rings made of ice. The other giant planets have rings too, but none are as beautiful as Saturn's. Oh my goodness.
No, those rings were made of ice.
I did not know that.
Let's look at them. Whoa. Those are.
Oh, they're so pretty.
Oh my goodness, look how long their year lasts. It takes 759 days to go around the sun.
Oh my goodness. Wow, that is a long time.
The farther we're getting away from the sun, the bigger orbits they have. So they're going to take much, much longer.
Oh, good connection, Miss Ryder. Wow, someone like Saturn and put many rings on it. All right. Our next planet is Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the sun. It is tilted on its orbit. This tilt makes Uranus appear to spin on its side.
Oh, interesting. So it's like a sideways planet. Let's see what that looks like.
Oh,
Peaceful and serene. It looks all the same color blue.
very pretty. Oh my goodness, look how many Earth days it takes to orbit.
30,687. That's a big orbit.
That is a huge orbit. Oh my goodness.
Very pretty though.
It is.
All right, is this our last planet?
It is. It is. It is Neptune. Neptune is the most distant major planet orbiting our sun. It is dark and cold. Winds on Neptune can travel faster than the speed of sound. Oh, sound travels pretty quickly, so those winds must be super fast.
Okay, let's find our last planet, Neptune. Oh, it's like a darker blue, almost purple.
So pretty. And it is called the windiest planet. Oh, this writer, look how many Earth days.
60,000. Wow. That makes sense because it's the farthest from the sun, so it's going to have the biggest circle orbit to go around.
Oh, you're right. That does make sense. Wow, that planet is so pretty.
Okay, now, friends watching at home, I want you to pause the video right now. Go find something to write with, any scrap of paper, any marker or pencil you have or pen, and we're going to read you the quiz questions, and you need to write down what you think the answers are, and then go back to your Schoology page and you're going to put the answers in the comment box. Don't worry, no one else will be able to see your answers, except for your teachers. So let's start with number 1. This is a nice quiz. I like it because it's only 4 questions. Easy.
Oh, 4-question quiz sounds great. Number 1, read the section Jupiter. Select the sentence from the section that describes the size of the Great Red Spot. A, it is more than twice as large, all planets combined. B, giant planet, Great Red Spot. B, the storm bigger than Earth. D, the storm hundreds of years old.
All right.
Are you ready for number 2?
I'll read number 2. Let's take turns, Miss Lavell. It says,
Sure, sounds great.
read the paragraph from the section Venus. Now, if it wasn't there, I would just go back and find the heading Venus, but they put it there for us, so that's nice. Venus spins in the opposite direction from most planets. It has a thick atmosphere. An atmosphere is a layer of gas that surrounds a planet. Venus's atmosphere traps heat like a blanket. This makes Venus the hottest planet in our solar system. So which question is answered in this paragraph? How big is Venus? Why is Venus so hot? What gases are found on Venus? And when was Venus first discovered? All right, jot down your answers, what you think, which of those questions is answered here. All right, let's do number 3.
What does the section Mars show the reader? And like Miss Ryder said, I would go back to the heading Mars and reread that section. So what does the section Mars show the reader? A, how Mars has changed. B, when Mars was formed. C, who discovered Mars. D, why Mars is cold and dusty. Choose your answer.
You could also rewind the video back to when we were reading about Mars together.
Very good point, Miss Ryder. That makes a lot of sense.
Okay, last question. If readers are looking for information on the fastest planet, which section should they read? Mercury, Earth, Saturn, Uranus. So which one is the fastest? Well, that was super fun, Miss Lavell. Thank you for reading about the planets with me.
Oh, thank you. This has been so much fun. I learned so much about planets and got to see pretty pictures of planets, real planets from space. That's just awesome.
Yeah, I love learning about space. It's so cool. All right, see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.